it was night, she did something that taught me a lesson. Upon entering the house, she switched on the lights, and I asked her, why did you put on the lights, yet you can't see? She laughed for a long time and switched off the lights and went to the kitchen. After a short while, she came with a pot of tea, placed it perfectly on the table, and switched on the lights again. Now, what she told me made me shed tears, because she said to me, Dorothy, I didn't put on the lights for my own sake or because I needed it. I put on the lights because you needed it, since you're not blind like me. Then she asked me, Dorothy, how many times have you switched off the lights for other people and denied them an opportunity to see because you yourself don't need it? I thought about that so deeply, and now I would like to take this opportunity to ask our beloved leaders present here today. How many times have you put off the lights and denied the youth an opportunity to see light while they're in darkness? Why would you let your bank account grow into billions or even millions when your neighbor's child is not going to school? Why will you see a scholarship opportunity without sharing it with qualified and needy students? Why will you be in a position to offer bursaries to deserving needy students and instead offer them to students from well-off families, relatives, friends, just because they were your campaign supporters? How many times have you walked into schools with poor infrastructures and made empty promises of improving the infrastructures? For instance, if you look at Nyaribo Girls Secondary School, a school with beautiful young girls, young and energetic teachers, a school within the CBD, a school near the headquarters, a school near the county assembly. But if you look at the infrastructure, that's pathetic. Please, our beloved leaders, do something. Put on the lights for these children, for they are future leaders. Each of these questions above is equivalent to switching off the lights. These are the things we should be mindful of as human beings. This is the true reason for living, helping the needy and being there for those who don't have a voice. So, my able leaders, please don't switch off the lights for the younger generation. Turn on the lights that you have switched. But despite all, when I look at our beloved governor, I see a bright future for the young generation. For you are kind-hearted leader. So, with all due respect, sir, allow me to shake your golden hand. Thank you. I am Dorothy Kennedy, reporting from NGSS, all the way from Nyamira County.
Now today being on date 27th March of 2024, we are here live at Nyamira Field Primary School, and as you can see our able leaders. Oh, I salute you, Honorable Governor. And also you can see our very, very beautiful and handsome teachers from various schools. Also, you can see various students from various schools. We have gathered here to celebrate this fantastic educational day.
Indeed, it's a wonderful day. We would like to thank all the organizers of this ceremony, including our principal, Madam Karen, for allowing us to come and enjoy with other students.
Don't forget to use our hashtag Yes Wednesday Live, and it begins right now. And these are our bulletins. Government foundations. We are going to start with an interesting part of government foundations, as Mira Mumara reports. Well. Today being 27 March 2024, students and teachers all over Nyamira County have gathered in one famous ground, popularly known by the name Nyamira Primary School Ground, with one aim of celebrating the Educational Day, not forgetting our Honorable Governor Amos Nyaribo and our able leaders all over Nyamira County are also here to celebrate this wonderful day with the good students in Nyamira County. We of the Nyaribo fraternity would like to show our gratitude toward the good work that our Honorable Governor and our Member of Parliament have continually been doing. We do appreciate your efforts into making our education a wonderful experience by easing the burden of our parents paying fees with the bursaries given to each student from vulnerable families. We thank the national government for allowing the governor to come up with Government Foundation, a kitty that gives scholarships to children from vulnerable families to access education. Governor, our Honorable Governor, we thank you and wish you a long life and continue with the good work. Reporting from NGSS, my name is Miriam Omara.
Congratulations to our dean, Nyaribo. Ask more of the news.
Okay.
We as the NGSS, we say congratulations. Congratulations to the teachers, college students, students and pupils who will be awarded with certificates for the exemplary work in academics. We therefore encourage others to emulate the same. Reporting from NGSS TV, my name is Valerie Bochaberi.
Thank you for the news. And I want to take you to the education sector with Charity Mudeu.
Yes, we can all say that the education sector has done a great job in ensuring that there is sanity in the education sector. For instance, you have helped in implementing national government policies such as 100% transitions in our schools. We appreciate the national government for remitting money to school in good time to ensure smooth learning of school activities. This has enabled the heads of institutions to avoid necessary resources for learning. Reporting to NGSS, Nyamira County, Mudeu Charity. Hello, colleague Elizabeth Nyokayo.
Maybe I want to confirm where is the venue really?
I am in Nyamira County at our own very own field, which is hosting the spectacular event being today Education Day.
Wow, that's great.
Now I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you all present to the second part, which is the segment. Now I'm going to give you a brief introduction on what normally happens during the segment. At the segment, this is where I get the chance to interact with the other students as they get the chance to acquire skills and knowledge based on education. Now today being Education Day, I'd like to take this opportunity to maybe ask even one of the students here what they think about Education Day.
I'm in grade 7.
Now, what do you think about education?
Education is the key to success.
Yes.
A great empowerer, achiever. It also gives us pride, knowledge, courage, sensitizes on some good things, important information. That's what I think about it.
Thank you. Kindly clap for her, she has tried. Now, lastly to my segment.